Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Bybit Card. So before using Bybit Card, we first need to understand what is Bybit Card. So the Bybit Card is a virtual MasterCard crypto debit card that lets you access your crypto funds quickly and easily, allowing you to spend your crypto wherever and whenever you want. So in order to use your Bybit card, what you need to do is you need to simply first apply for it, and once you are approved to use it, you can use your Bybit card with online retailers and merchants all across the globe. So any illegal use associated with your Bybit card may result in the termination. So currently Bybit supports both virtual and physical Bybit cards. So with a virtual card you can make online payments once you have applied successfully, while a physical card allows you to make payments online as well as contactless payments in retail stores using POS terminals that support contactless payments. In Bybit Virtual Card, the Google Pay option is also available, and Apple Pay option is also available in some of the countries. So once you get your card, you need to activate it. So your virtual Bybit card will be already activated automatically and is available for the immediate use, but you need to activate your physical card. So in order to do that, you can just contact with the customer service of the Bybit in order to activate your card, but if you are using your virtual Bybit card, it will be activated already. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.